We are in Somerset, UK, and we are challenging ourselves to find 100 species of bird in one day without leaving the county. So we're on our way to Hamwall right now. We've already seen,
How many have we got?
17 species.
That's pretty good.
It's not bad so far. It's been 42 minutes into the day. Yeah, we're on Hamwall right now. We've already seen glossy ibis.
Yeah.
So we've got sort of kingfisher.
35 birds.
35.
35.
Some lovely kind of misty stuff across the water.
Beautiful.
We're just walking back. What's the plan, Ben? See more birds, that's the plan. So, what would you rate this out of 1 to 10? This experience?
7.
I mean,
6 and 5.
that's not too bad.
Pretty solid 9, I'd say.
Oh my. A 9. This is like a 2 for me. So, what's over that hill over there?
I don't know.
Let's go there. A reservoir. Yeah, I think that's all. Thanks. What's that over there? Oh, it's a car.
We're going to go and have a look at that lesser scorp,
That's a school.
which is a bit of a rarity. So it's a good little extra.
Nice. Alright, it's time. We're here to see a lesser squawk. Okay. It's quite a nice juicy one. Oh. We'll go and see that hopefully.
Yeah.
And get back on the road.
Should be just on this lake over here.
Yeah.
So, let's have a look. Look at that little smiling face. He's happy, he's in his habitat right
I haven't seen it yet.
Right, we've just seen it, guys. We've just seen it.
Yep, the
You see it,
squawk
Jeff?
is in sight. Yeah, I can see.
Let's have a look.
Right,
There you go.
There we go.
There you go, guys.
So it's that one in the middle, I think. There.
I'll put a circle around it. Well, that's a mission complete
That was
right there.
great. We saw the squawk in about.
That was literally like 3 minutes.
It was really quick. Yeah.
Really quick. Now we're just going back to the car. And where we go next, Benj?
I think other side of Shatwick.
Yeah, we're going to
Other
try
side
and find
of-
some cattle egrets among some cattle.
Really?
Uh,
Oh, really?
yeah, it's a good experience
Yeah, it's really good.
to see cattle egrets. It really makes you joyful. Joyful, yeah. What a day.
The outdoors.
The outdoors, yeah.
Something else.
Stuck in that fresh air.
Yeah,
Suck it in.
suck it in.
Yeah, we're just going to see hopefully some cattle egrets.
So where are we going to find them again? Sorry?
So generally near cattle,
Oh, okay, yeah, that's right.
which are cows, by the way.
Okay.
Just in case you didn't know. Which they generally live in fields,
Okay.
eating grass. So
Okay.
not the cattle
You can
egrets.
see there's
but-
some field.
So there's fields here with grass in it.
I'm basically just going by whatever Benjamin says right now.
So as you can see, this park goes on for about a mile, just really straight. It's pretty crazy.
We're not going all the way, okay. Right, guys, we've got a massive move right here.
So there wasn't any cattle,
There wasn't, no.
and in turn there wasn't any egrets.
Really?
So we're going back. so we're probably gonna go and try somewhere else. Hopefully, that really ruined things. It was a bit of a flow
Yeah,
until then.
how many species have we got so far?
60
6 or something.
60 something.
That's pretty good.
Uh,
It's only been like, what, just over 2 hours, something like that?
yeah, it's not been long. We're running through them right now.
Sure. Right, so we've got two choices here, guys.
Two choices.
What's the two choices, Ben?
Cattle egrets or white-fronted goose.
Yeah. And how far away each one?
The same.
Yeah. So,
I can't.
which one, Josh?
I want to see some cows,
You want to see some
personally, so I'd say, I mean that's me personally, so I'd say egrets, just for that. It's probably more likely to see, oh flip, there's a ladybird.
What? You scared me so much.
Oh my days.
You scared me so much. I thought it was like a snake.
Yeah. I thought it was like a, like a amphibian or...
Yeah.
We're gonna go and see the egrets, I think.
Oh my days. Is that a final decision?
Yeah.
Right, we're gonna go and see that white-fronted goose now.
What? I thought we decided as a group. So, we're just coming up to the white-fronted goose. The alleged, yeah. What's those? Stop in the name of...
In the name of science.
Oh, looks like we're here.
Oh, no. Finally. Rebunting. It's been long awaited. It's alright, it's nothing special. It's just a rebunting, you know. I think Benj is self-conscious.
What?
One of them's definitely grey lag. I'm just waiting for the other one to lift to the head. No, they're both grey lag.
There's two Canada's there.
It may be common,
And there's also a big old great
but it's still amazingly good.
Such flipping funny birds, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's so comical. Those great whites. There was a time in history when these things were rare. Here's some history for you. Back in about probably early 2000s, I'd say they're quite rare, but they came in and they populated.
Right, guys, we couldn't see it, so we have to retreat.
I knew it wasn't the right decision to come here. Who needs a goose anyway, honestly? You're a goose.
So what are we going to go and see
We're
now?
going to go and see the proper birds. Yeah, the ones I thought were the best.
Alright. So what are we going to go and see now?
He just told you, the best birds.
Oh, I was hoping you were going to see it. That's something different.
Let's go.
What's going on then?
I'm eating my Doritos.
So what happened? Like, why are we...
So we've been searching for these cattle egrets,
looking?
for a little while now, and we haven't seen any,
Okay.
which is always annoying. For several
Frustrating experience.
For several reasons. It's not good on your mental health. It's not helping this whole bird
Experience.
Yeah. Three, I just want to see one.
So we have given up and we're now going to
Cheddar.
Cheddar
Cheddar Reservoir.
Cheddar Reservoir.
It's a rezo.
It's a rezo.
So, after me saying that, we just saw a flock of around 53 cattle egrets just flying just down here, so we're just going to check it out. Pretty excited, to be honest.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, there's the buzzer. That's, believe it or not, that's the first one of the day.
They are cattle egrets, aren't they?
I hope so.
Look, over there, they're
Yeah,
short.
they've got to be cattle egrets.
See those white little things over there?
But let me just check, because
It'd be embarrassing if they're not.
I'm embarrassing.
2 hours later.
Yeah, they are. Yeah.
reservoir
Reservoir.
over to the left. So Ben's just taking a wrong turn. Look at that, we have to do a big loop now because he missed the turning. We're now coming up to Cheddar Reservoir. You can see the reservoir just up there.
It's a lovely body of water. Look, that was a nice bump.
That was a bad one.
God.
So we need red-crested porchard, common sandpiper, and goosander, kittiwake, yellow wagtail.
I just found out we've never been here before, even though I thought we had.
We've never been here. Oh my days, look at this. It's so big and flat. Wow. This is quite cool. Look at this. See, look at this, guys. This amazing scenery. Look at this, just all the way around. It's like so beautiful. There's quite clear water actually. And, there's birds everywhere, like everywhere. See how many birds there are? So many birds. Guess what we're looking for?
Birds.
Oh, yeah. Wait, but... Right, so we are leaving Cheddar now. And how many species did we find, Benj?
3?
3, was it?
I can't actually remember now.
So a bit less than we wanted, but it's still quite a lot. We can't see any more. So where we go now?
Steert Marshes.
Steert Marshes. Oh, what a beautiful place. Not.
It is a flipping good place.
Right, so it is an hour drive from here now. We will get there at about 10 to 12. So we're gonna probably have lunch there and then try to find as many birds as we can, obviously. And food, eat it. Food, eat it. Look at this food, yes. Beautiful.
Lovely rolls of delight.
With salmon.
The moment has come, Josh.
Cattle. So there's cows right there. So if you can see that, it's
Let's be quiet.
it's a pretty good experience. Have cows in your life.
Right, so we're just about to enter Hyde, so I'll have to be a bit quiet, but that's fine because we can still see birds, even though we have to be quiet. That's the point. As I said, what you seen?
These holes are always too low for good old giants like me, you know. That's adversary, we haven't seen that yet. So it's nice being next to the coast because it gives you more options.
At that Hyde and we're on 85 species now. Highlights included pictorial sandpiper, very nice. A lot of little ring plover there as well. Yeah.
Right, so we're just going to go to the estuary.
Yeah, that's not good.
Wow, what happened there then?
So waders are way up there. So literally nothing here.
So we're probably going to drive up there, yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see if we can find them just up there. I mean, I think I know where our destination is.
That big tower, that's where we're going. Let's go look out onto the estuary. And we're going to look for some birds, like we've done all day.
We have got 87 species of birds so far. We're trying to get that 100 mark, so hopefully we can maybe get it on this one. Probably not quite, but next location, hopefully.
I've got some more exciting locations to come.
Yeah.
That's gonna.
We're gonna go to some woods. We're gonna go
Yeah.
to the coast. It's gonna be sick.
I mean, we are at the coast right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, more coast.
Yeah, but
Even more coastal. and this. Right. You know what I'm saying? So let's just open the door. Okay. I wouldn't say it's a great quality. I'm just looking at it. But it's got a concrete floor, which is always nice. Wow, okay. It's pretty outdated, as you can see. At least they got some new like handles here
yeah.
that really help with it. I'm not a big fan of some of these spiders' webs, to be honest. They look like
It's got quite a nice view here. See on the coast.
it's a lovely view. Lovely dirty water, I'd say. There's some nice like pines down there. I think I might have a look for the crossbill. I think that would work really well.
Will that work really well, Ben?
What's that?
Some crossbills.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's bound to be like dozens of them around here.
Yeah, so many. I can't see any.
What is it?
I think it's some kind of gull.